Okay, so all the number divide by 1. So what is the thing is, so if it is divide by 1 completely, so all the number divide by 1 completely. Okay, completely. So then what we can say, then 1 is a factor of all the numbers. We can say that number is a factor, no? So all the numbers. So what I will write here, first just note it. 1, the number 1, it should be a factor of all number. So 1 is a factor of all numbers. Just note it, this is a very important thing. Okay, so I'll put so 1 is a factor of all the numbers. Okay, then if you look on that, okay, 4, just look on that 4. So here 4 is coming. If you look on that 6, here also 6 is coming. If you look on that 8, 8 also coming. If you look at the 10, 10 also coming. That means what is the case, which number you are going to find for the factor. For example, find the factor of 10. So you are going to find the factor of 10 means 1 should be divided and the same number also it should be divided. Am I right? So first what I said, 1 is a factor of all the numbers. Next, that number, which number here I have taken? 4. So 4 you have taken means 4 it should be divided. 6 you have taken means 6 should be divided. 8 you have taken means 8 should be divided. Okay, so that means what is the observation here? So every number, okay, so I will write that every number. So every number, if you have taken any number, every number is a factor of itself. Okay, so every number is a factor of itself, that you have to know. Okay, so I'll make this one as a table. Every factor is a factor of itself. That means if I take 1, 1 is a factor of itself. If I take 2, 2 is a factor of itself, 2. If I take 3, 3 is a factor of itself, 3. Okay, so this is the fact number. This is the fact about this one. Okay. Okay, then next thing is, you have to notice that, see, when you said to find the factor of any number, for example 4, 6, 8, 12, 18, any number, when they said to find the factor of any number, you will find certain number. Okay, see, 1, 2, 4. If I said to find the factor of 4 means 1, 2, 4. If I said to find the factor of 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. So if they said to find the factor, so the number of factors of a given number. Okay, so I will write here number of factors of a given number is finite. Finite means there has a end, right? Is finite. See here, 1, 2, 3. Finite means we can count how many number. There should be end. Okay, so here 3 factors. Okay, so 3 factors is there. So here how many factors? Totally 4 numbers. That means 4 factors. Okay, so that means when they said to find the factor of any number, the factor is countable. That means the factor is finite, that has a end. We can say this much number only present, sir. Okay, can you understand? Okay, next one, see, when they said to find the factor of any number, see here 4. So 4 means how many numbers present? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers factors will come. 6 means 1, 2, 3, 6. So 4 numbers will come. That means one more fact we can write. Okay, so what is the fact? See, this fact and all, you can just notice that. Okay, you just write in your classwork note. So don't forget, students, this is the basic facts. Okay, See, I will write that one more fact. Every factors, okay, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. So we already wrote, I think so. Okay. So one more fact I will write. Okay, the next fact is, so every factor is less than or equal to that number. Okay, equal to the given number. I will say that, don't get confusion. See, what is the thing is they given every factor is less than or equal to the given number. See, every factor. See, if you look at that factor of 4. So how many numbers came? 1, 2, 3. So 3 number. It should be less than, no? Am I right? So every factor, so complete the 3 numbers are factors. Okay, 3 factors is there. So that means this is a given number. Okay, so the factor should be less than or equal to the given number. See, if you look at that 6, so 1, 2, 3, 6, 4 number. It should be less than 6, no? So that means every factor of this number, it should be less than the given number. Can you catch my point? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 6 means 4 numbers present. So 4 should be less than 6. That's all. Okay, so I will write that 4 should be less than 6. Okay, so here 3 should be less than 4. So this is a fact. Okay, so it should be less than the given number. That's all. Okay, now if you do that some problems, then you can understand. Then I will write that one more thing. What is meant by multiple? So see, what is that multiples? See, multiple, which means that multiplied by that number. Same number should be multiplied in the endless time. Okay, for example, I will write that multiples. Doubled, we can say doubled, right? Multiple of 3. I will write that multiple of 3. First you write the number 3. Next, 3 plus 3. What is the number? 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. This is called multiple. Multiple means this same number should be added continuously. Okay, the same number should be doubled. This same number should be doubled continuously. Okay, so we can say the multiples of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, this kind of it's go on. So what's the multiple of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 20, 15, 18, 21, this kind of it will go. And what about that 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24? This is called multiple. The same number should be doubled. That is called multiples. Okay, so each number should be multiple. Any number you can take, that number we can multiple by itself. Okay, and you know that multiple numbers are, there is no end. Okay, it should be endless. So this is a fact. So endless means we can say multiples are infinite, but factors are finite. Multiples are infinite. So I will write the fact. Okay, multiples are infinite. Multiples are infinite. Okay, and every number is a multiple of itself. Okay, for example, multiple of 4 means first you have to write the 4. So that means I will write one more fact. Every number, if you take any number, so every number is a multiple of itself. Okay, so what is the meaning means, if you take 2 means first you will write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, that kind of. If you take 6 means first you have to take 6. That means what is the case, which number you are going to find the multiple, that number you have to starting at first. Okay, that means every number is a multiple of itself. Okay, every number is a multiple of itself. And you know one thing, so every multiple of a number is greater than, so it should be greater than, and are equal to that number. Every multiple is the greater than or equal to that number. That means if you said to find the multiple of 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it should be continuously going on. That means greater than that number. Greater than that number. So we can say the multiples of the given number should be greater than that number or equal to that number. Okay. So this thing you have to know, students. Okay. So this is very important. So remember that one. So it should be countless. It should be, there is no end. These 3 dots represent there is no end. Okay. So now you know that clear idea about factors and multiples. Multiple means it's going on doubled. Factors means what is that number, exactly divide that number. Okay. So that is the given case. Then next to one, what is meant by perfect number? What is meant by perfect number? So perfect number means, for example, see, you are going to find any factor of that any one of the number. For example, 6 I will take. So 6 means how many numbers it can divide exactly? 1, 2, 3 table it will come, 4th table it will not come, 5th table it will not come, and 6th table only it will come. So see here, so number 6. Now add all the factors. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. So totally how much it is coming? So 12. Okay. So see, I have taken 6. But I will get double of that number. If I add all the factors of that number, if I get double of the given number, then it is called perfect number. Can you understand? First they said to find the factor. Find the factor of 6. So you are finding 1 table it will come, 2 table it will come, 3 table it will come, 6 table it will come. Next step is when you add all the factors, you will get one number. That number, check the number, that number should be double of the given number. So what is the given number? Given number is 6. So it should be double of this number. 6 plus 6, 12. So this kind of game means we can say, so 6 is a perfect number. Okay. Okay, so sorry for that. So this is called perfect number. Okay. Now if you look at that one more number, I will take, okay. So 4, what is the factor of 4? 1, 2, 4. Now add all those factors. 1 plus 2 plus 4. So that means if you add all those number, 4 plus 2 plus 1, you will get 8. So this should be double of this number. Am I right? So double of the given number. So what number is given? 4. But what number you are getting? 8. 4 plus 4, 8. That means double of that number. So we can say, so this kind of number is called perfect number. Okay. So this is called perfect number. Okay. So if you take one more number, but I cannot say all the numbers are perfect numbers. Okay. So which are the numbers? It should be the given total is double of that number means it is called perfect number. If it is not k means it's not a perfect number. Okay. So this is the fact, students. So just you have to know that. And the remaining things I will explain in that next session, even in the example onwards. That means example 1, example 2, example 3 and all we will solve in the next session. So in this class I said about that introduction of that playing with numbers. So in this lesson majorly we are going to concentrate on that factors and multiples. Factors means what? Factors means the given number. Which are the numbers? It should be divide that number exactly. Okay, that means there is a remainder should be 0 only. Okay, so other than that, if number k means remainder k means we cannot say that it is called, what is the case? Factor. Okay, factor of that particular number. Okay, and multiple means double of that number. Okay, so in the next class we will solve some problems. So just take your book and read one time. Thank you all. We will see in the next class.